So I'm gonna go give my car to the shop. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I've been wanting to do this for almost 3 years. What the f is this? So obviously this is not the final product. We are giving this car to get wrapped at Max Sticker Supply. Hopefully it's gonna be finished within 1 or 2 days. We'll come back and see how it looks when it's done. So excited. I guess the car is almost ready. I haven't had a look yet. I'm so excited and nervous what we have here. Oh, bro, is this it?
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my. It's worth it, man.
Is it?
Gonna do this to everything from now on. Oh my god. This doesn't look real. Man, I can't wait for it to finish. Man, the places I'm gonna go after this. I love it. It's amazing. Yeah. Why haven't I done this sooner? So the car came out perfectly, exactly like I wanted it to. As you can see, we got the M Sport body kit, full bumper, side skirts, and the rear bumper. We got the front lips and the side skirt extensions as well. I really love the car. It's so mean and nice looking. So next week we are gonna go for a drive. There's gonna be a lot of BMWs in that drive. We are gonna go for a long drive, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss that video. If you like the video, make sure to share it with your friends. Leave your comment down below and I'll see you next time.
So don't let me sit inside your car. I want to ruin your video.